Hey guys, it's Ross Scotton on the Space Couch today. Did my usual routine in Bromley. Obviously the Disney store is closed now. Went into both of the entertainers, but there was nothing new there. And I went into HMV and they had a bunch of new stuff in there. What I picked up was this. Zutton the Snaggletooth, although I think it's actually a Snivian in the actual canon. The race. But yes, I've never had this figure. And this figure's popped up in loads of different things. Obviously, from the Cantina scene in A New Hope, he's in there. And this species also turns up in the Clone Wars, like in, say, the episodes about the box, you know, all the bounty hunters getting faced off against one another in that big giant puzzle with Count Dooku looking down on them. One of the bounty hunters is one of these guys. And also in the Clone Wars, the episode where all the Jedi Padawans being hunted down, one of the people is a Snaggletooth as well. And they've turned up in the background of just about loads of the films, in fact. Rise of Skywalker, the original trilogy, who knows. And also they've been in the background in Rebels as well. But there's the back. They had the child in. They had the battle droid in. They had Boba Fett, but Black series, the 30 quid one with the nice big box. And they also had in the clone trooper that's painted black from the Bad Batch. Not one of the Bad Batch, but the prototype Death Troopers. I can't remember what they were called. Not Purge Troopers either. But they had that. It looked interesting. I thought about it. They also had in the Archive Shore Trooper, the one with the minimal colour, not the one with loads of blue on it, and a bunch of other stuff as well. But let's unbox this guy now. Zutton. So yeah, it's got a decent selection in there now. It's taken over from the Entertainer and, in fact, the Disney store. They had Afra, the 3.75 inch in the Entertainer, but I've already got that figure. I think I got it from there, in fact. So let's check him out. There he is. Very nice. You see his Snaggletooth at the side there. And his little blaster. Is that a DL-44? No, the sights are to the side instead of above. So we'll just bring his blaster out, because they're always a pain to get out those weapons with the sellotape. And we'll bring him out. There he is. Very nice. There's that big face and wide mouth. They always look a little bit dim when you see them. Friendly and without guile, I'll say, rather than dim. But very nice costuming on him. This is very nice, how the belt goes. The colour of this red is really, really nice. And you see this at the back, just so it goes up like so. To put something in, I suppose, or for his mates to tug him back when he's going to get into a fight. But yeah, nice trousers, the boots, two-tone, but that's probably just an artefact. It's not probably meant to be two-tone, I expect. Then you see his face, ears. You can see ears actually stick out a bit. This is very tactile. What this reminds me of is a smaller scale of the Cylon Imperious leader and his big purple head. Yeah, so very, very nice. And you see his tooth there as well. So let's put his gun in his hand. Doesn't go in his hand very well. Oh, there he is. Oh, his arm. He's doing the Han Solo, shooting without looking. And there it goes there. Let's just stand him up on here. Actually, there's nothing in there. We need an actual box for him to stand on, if he will stand. I hope he's not one of those annoying ones that doesn't like standing. There he is. So that is Zutton the Snaggletooth, another one of the Cantina patrons now added to the collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment or suggestion for upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.